Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Google Contacts in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. You can simply search it also here at the bottom search bar and click on open or double tap to proceed. Okay, once you have bring it up, you can see there at the upper right side of that an icon like this. Click on it to see Google Apps. And here you need to scroll down and look for contacts. But in case if you don't see your contacts here, in my case I have here, don't worry. Okay, so let me just close this and navigate again. Don't worry, we just have to click on more from Google. Now you would be redirected to the Google products and services where here you need to scroll down again and look for jump to our products to see all the services or products that is being offered or under Google. Okay. So it is being filtered into featured. You need to click the down arrow and go with for all so that you would be able to see all the services or products under Google. Where here you can see their contacts next to Chromebook in my case. Now click on this forward arrow. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be redirected to the context where here you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the three dots to customize and control Google Chrome. Go with cast, save and share. And there you can see there an option called install page as app. So here it will ask you to confirm your action. But before proceeding on an install, you need to rename that first into context. So once you have renamed it, click on install and wait until it will be installed successfully in our Windows. Now, the moment a new window would appear, which is this, meaning that we have just successfully installed it. All you need to do is you need to close the window and as well as here at the Google Chrome browser and check if it's being placed here in our desktop. So in my case, I have here in my contacts I have here in my desktop screen, I can see it contacts. And if I'll search it here at the bottom search bar and type for contacts, okay, there we can see the best match. So click on open and you can also double tap it here at the desktop screen to bring it up. So all you need to do is you need to bring it up and then you just have to set up your contacts, okay? Set up your contacts and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.